Morning, first good signal of the morning. Down there about 6 inches. Got me a religious pendant. Looks like it's silver. I love digging religious pendants. I'll get back to you. It looks like it's got a maker's mark on it, but let me get it cleaned up at home and we'll get some good shots. Alright. See you at the next. Alrighty, next signal. Way down in there. Got a wheatie. I'll get a date off it if I can when I get home. Alright. See you at the next. Alright, 2 signals later. About 6 inches down. Got another wheatie. And I got some nice patina. If you like patina, this has patina. Nice green patina. Alright. I'll get back to you next. First wheatie of the day, about 6-7 inches down. Got my first wheatie of the morning. I'll get a date if I can when I get to the round it. Alright. Hopefully we can find some silver today. Gold will be nice. Morning, see you the next. You see the lovely day. It's drizzling rain. But I want to say 3 inches down in the hole. Boy Scout tie class kind of squashed. Yeah, but I ain't dug one of these in about a month, so another one to add to the collection. I'll get back to you at the next if I can hang out here in the rain long enough. All right, see you. And here we got our roundup. Not a lot of great finds. At $5.91 in clad. Did get 12 wheaties. 2 1939s, 1941. 42, I got that one twice. A 1944. 2 1945s. 1948. 1952D. 1955 and a 57D. In the Boy Scout tie class, Webelow, whatever they call them. This is a more modern one than the ones I usually dig. You know, as you can tell, it's not as nice as the older ones, like everything else. But, anyways, it's added to collection. Nothing that special. And then the only silver I got, one of these Catholic religious pendants, you know, and it is marked, I don't know if you can be able to pick that up, but it's marked sterling on the back, right below, right in the center. It says sterling. Anyways, yeah, so just one silver. There's probably 3 short hunts I went on, but anyways, weather's getting cold here. I'm gonna try to get out and get some detecting in done today. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.